Automatic Driving Lessons Wakefield. Are you fed up of getting buses or relying on other people to get from A to B? Are you ready to take control of the wheel and hit the open road? Learning to drive can be challenging, especially if you're struggling getting the hang of manual transmission. We offer automatic driving lessons to help you get on the road to success. Our experienced and friendly instructors will teach you everything you need to know about automatic driving, from basic skills to advanced techniques, tailoring each lesson to your specific needs and learning style. With automatic driving, you will enjoy a smoother, more relaxed driving experience, giving you the freedom to focus on the road ahead. When test day comes, you will have the skills and knowledge you need to pass with flying colors. So why wait? Don't let manual transmissions hold you back. Book your automatic driving lessons today and start your journey to becoming a safe, confident driver. Call 07480801298.